Good day everyone, this is Charmar TV for another video, and today discuss natin kung paano tayo kumuha ng measure ng isang angle at yung number of sides of a regular polygon. So simulan na natin. First of all is i-record muna natin yung interior and exterior angles ng polygon. So when we say interior angle ng polygon, ito yung angle na binubuo ng dalawang magkasunod na sides ng polygon. So for example, this polygon, yung interior angle is formed by two consecutive or adjacent sides like this one. So this is what we call the interior angle. Okay, other interior angles of this polygon is this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So kung ilang interior angle sa isang polygon ay siya ring number of sides nito. Okay, ayan po. Tapos sa exterior angle naman, ito yung exterior angle. Binubuo siya ng isang side ng polygon at saka yung extension ng adjacent side niya. Okay, so in this case, ito yung isang side, tapos ito yung extension ng katabing side ng polygon. So doon nabubuo yung tinatawag na exterior angle. And recall po natin yung property ng interior angle tsaka exterior angle kapag adjacent sila, meaning silang dalawa ay supplementary. So as you can see, nakabuo sila ng angle pair. Ayan po. So ang pinag-uusapan natin dito sa video na ito is about regular polygon. So, pag sinabing regular polygon, lahat ng sides ay equal at lahat ng angles ay equal din. Okay? Kaya, ang tawag dito ay regular polygon. And also, i-recall po natin yung sum of all interior angles and exterior angles ng polygon. So, the sum of all interior angles can be found by using the formula n-2 multiplied by 180 degrees. Yung 180 po is the measure of all angles ng triangle. Okay? Tapos yung n-2 is the number of triangles kapag hinati mo siya, itong polygon, into triangles. Okay? Kaya, na-derive yung formula. Tapos, the sum of all is exterior angles is 360 degrees. So, kapag in-extend natin yung bawat side sa isang direction lang, yung sum ng lahat ng exterior angles rather, ng polygon ay laging 360 degrees for any number of sides ng polygon. So, by the way, yung n po is the number of sides of polygon. Okay? And since isa siyang regular polygon, bali dapat pare-parehas ang sukat ng bawat angle, interior or exterior angle. Okay, so let's take this as an example, In this case, hexagon. So, kukunin natin yung measure ng lahat ng interior angles nito. Okay? So, anong gagamitin natin? Yung sum of all interior angles na n-2 multiplied by 180. So, kukunin muna natin yung sum ng lahat ng measures ng interior angles nito. So, to do this, ang n po natin ay 6 because there are 6 sides of this polygon. So, i-substitute natin dito, we have 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180. The 6 minus 2 is 4 times 180, and 4 times 180 is 720. So, ibig sabihin, yung sum ng 6 na interior angles dito ay 720 degrees. But since this is regular polygon, dapat equal yung sides ng bawat angles. Equal sila sa isa't isa. Kaya naman, ang gagawin natin is i-divide natin doon sa number of interior angles. This is equal to the number of sides of the polygon. So, 720, from 720, i-divide natin sa 6, magiging 120 degrees. So, this means, ito yung measure ng bawat interior angles ng regular hexagon. So, this is 120, this is 120, 120 degrees, 120. Ayan, lahat yan 120. Okay? Ayan po yung sa interior angle. Yung isa lang na one interior angle. Okay? Now, para naman sa exterior po, no. So we know that the sum of all exterior angles of the polygon is always 360. But since lahat ng exterior angles ay equal yung sukat, bali i-divide natin, no, yung 360 sa number of sides ng polygon. Again, there are 6 of them, 'di ba? So 360 divided by 6 is equal to 60. So ayan po yung measure ng isang exterior angle ng hexagon. So ang exterior angle po ay 60 degrees. Ito 60, 60, 60, 60. Ito 60. At kung i-check natin yung sum ng 120 at saka 60 degrees, ito sa interior, ito naman sa exterior, 120 plus 60, no, is equal to 180. Indeed, yung interior angle at saka yung adjacent exterior angle ng polygon ay supplementary dahil ang sum nila ay 180 degrees. So, alamin natin yung formula in general kung paano tayo kumuha ng measure ng bawat interior at exterior angle ng regular polygon. Okay, so for any regular polygon with n sides, n is at least 3, the measure of each interior angle is defined by the formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180 all divided by n. Itong nasa taas, n minus 2 multiplied by 180, ayan yung sum of the measures ng lahat ng interior angles for any kind of polygon with n sides. Ano po? Regular or irregular. Okay? Kaya dinivide natin sa n dahil isa siyang regular polygon. So, kapag dinivide natin sa n, makukuha natin yung measure ng bawat interior angle. Dito naman, the measure of each exterior angle. So, we have 360 divided by n. Yung 360 po naman po is yung sum of the measures ng lahat ng exterior angles ng any convex polygon. Ano po? So, yung 360 po is the measure of all interior angles ng polygon for any number of sides. Okay, 360 po lagi. And since regular nga, 'di ba? So, i-divide natin sa number of sides which is n. Kaya yung 360 over n is the measure of each interior angle. So, para mas maintindihan natin yung discussion na ito is magbibigay tayo ng examples. Okay, so for this one, find the measure of each interior and exterior angle of a 1 regular pentagon, 2 regular octagon. So, unay muna natin si regular pentagon. Ano po? So, ito yung regular pentagon and ang kailangan is yung measure ng bawat interior at saka exterior angle dito. So, kukunin natin measure ng bawat interior angle at saka exterior angle. And take note, regular po. Kaya lahat ng angles ay pantay-pantay or equal. Okay, so alamin muna natin yung number of sides ng pentagon. So, ang pentagon po ay may 5 sides. So, ang end po natin ay 5. Okay? So, para sa interior angle, okay, interior angle, no? Kukunin natin measure ng bawat interior angle, gagamit tayo ng formula na n minus 2 multiplied by 180 divided by n. So, yung n po is the number of sides. And since ang hinahanap is yung pentagon, bali ang n po natin ay 5. So, yung n palitan natin ng 5. So, 5 minus 2 multiply by 180 divided by 5. Okay? 5 minus 2, simplify na natin, magiging 3 times 180. Okay? Ayan po, 180. Divided by 5. Next is i-multiply natin yung 3 sa 180. So, 3 times 180 is 540. Okay? Then, copy the rest of the expression. So, 540 divided by 5 na siya. Okay? And, di-divide natin itong dalawa. So, 540 divided by 5 that is equal to 108 degrees. So, ayusin natin, no? Ayan. So, ibig sabihin po, yung measure ng bawat interior angle ng pentagon ay 108 degrees. Ayan po yung measure ng bawat isa. So, ibig sabihin, ito 108, ito 108, 108, 108. Okay? So, ayun po yung measure ng bawat interior angle. Okay? Next naman yung exterior angle, no? Yung measure ng bawat exterior angle, ang formula po nun ay 360 divided by n. Okay? Ayan po. Then, since ang n po natin ay 5, since there are 5 sides sa pentagon, so, palitan natin to ng 5. Ano po? So, 360 divided by 5, that is equal to 72 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, sa bawat exterior angle ng pentagon, may sukat na 72 degrees. Okay? And kung i-check natin yung dalawa, no, at i-add natin sila, so 108 plus 72 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So, ibig sabihin silang dalawa ay supplementary kasi ang sum nila ay 180 degrees. And it should be, ano po. So, ibig sabihin, no, tama ang sagot. Kaya naman, ang sagot po sa interior angle ay 108 degrees, habang ang exterior angle naman ay 72 degrees. Okay? Next, number 2, we have regular octagon, no? So, alamin muna natin yung number of sides ng octagon. So, octagon has 8 sides, no? So, therefore, n is equal to 8. Ayan po yung value ng n, no? Ayan yung number of sides. Okay? And then, kung isosolve natin siya, same process pa rin as this one, but this time, ang n po natin ay 8. Okay? So, let's do this, ano po? So, para sa interior angle, no? We have the formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180 all divided by n. And since ang n po natin ay 8, so itong n, papalitan natin ng 8. Ano po? So, 8 minus 2 times 180 all divided by 8. Okay? So, first, minus natin to. So, 8 minus 2 is 6. No? And then, copy the rest of the expression. Ayan. Okay? Pangalawa, i-multiply natin itong dalawa. So, 6 times 180, that is 1,080. Okay? Yan po, 6 times 180 is 1,080. Then, copy over 8. Okay? And then, finally, i-divide natin itong dalawa. So, 1,080 divided by 8. So, let's try long division. Ano po? So, 10 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. 2, bring down 8. 28 divided by 8 is 3 times 8, 24. Okay. 4, bring down 0. 40 divided by 8 is 5. So, ibig sabihin po, no? 180 divided by 8 is 135 degrees. And yung 135 degrees, ayan yung measure ng bawat interior angle ng regular octagon. Okay? Now, para naman sa exterior angle, no, ng regular octagon, so we use this formula, 360 all over n, diba? So, isubstitute natin yung value ng n, which is 8. Papalitan natin to ng 8. We have 360 divided by 8. Okay? So, 360 divided by 8, that is equal to 45 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, the measure of each exterior angle ng regular octagon is 45 degrees. And to check, i-add mo tong dalawa. So, 135 plus 45, that is equal to 180 degrees. So, supplementary sila. So, indeed, tama yung mga sagot natin. Ano po? So, para sa interior angle, ang sukat ng bawat isa ay 135 degrees, habang ang exterior angle naman, ang sukat naman ay 45 degrees para sa regular octagon. Okay, so ito po yung sagot. Okay, next, number 3, we have the problem here. The measure of one exterior angle of a regular polygon is 20 degrees. Find the number of sides of this polygon. Ano po? So, i-recall po natin yung exterior angle, no? Yung measure ng one exterior angle of a regular polygon. So, remember po, para sa exterior angle, bali, ang measure ng bawat isa nun ay may formula na 360 all over n or 360 divided by n. Okay? Pero dito, no, sa problem na ito, given yung measure ng isang exterior angle ng polygon which is 20 degrees. So, ang hinahanap is the number of sides ng polygon. So, ilang sides ng polygon ang meron dito na ang measure ng bawat exterior angle ay 20 degrees. So, gagamitin natin itong formula na ito, 360 divided by n, and it is known na 20 degrees ito. Okay? So, i-equate natin itong dalawa na ito, no? So, ibig sabihin, 360 over n, i-equal natin sa 20. So, para masimulan natin yung solution, so, bali, ito yung solution. Okay? So, para masimulan natin yung solution, i-equate mo lang tong dalawang ito, yung 360 over n, tsaka 20. Since given na yung 20 degrees as the measure of one exterior angle. So, we have 360 divided by n is equal to 20. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nun, ano kaya pwedeng ipang-divide sa 360, no? Or 360 divided by some number na lalabas 20. Okay? It goes like this, ano po? Pagpalitin mo yung pwesto, since equivalent naman sila sa isa't isa, ano po? Yung 20 at saka n. So that we have 360 divided by, ito, interchange mo to, so we have 20 here, tapos yung n dito. So that makukuha natin yung value mismo ng n. At ang n po is the number of sides of the polygon. Okay? So, kung i-divide mo itong 360 sa 20, since pares may dulo na 0, cancel na lang to. 36 divided by 2 na lang po, ano po? So, 36 divided by 2 equals 18 is equal to n. So, ibig sabihin nun, kung ang exterior angle ay may measure at 20 degrees, yung polygon ay may 18 sides. So, ang sagot po ay 18 sides. Okay? So, there are 18 sides sa regular polygon na nasa problem. Ano po? To have the exterior angle of 20 degrees. Okay? So, ito po yung sagot. Next, for the last one, number 4, the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 150 degrees. Find the number of sides of this polygon. So, this time, ang measure ng interior angle, yung isang interior angle ng regular polygon ay 150 degrees. Okay? So, ganito po yung magiging solution nun. Okay? So, bale, yung interior angle, no, interior angle, at saka yung exterior angle ng polygon, diba? Yung interior tsaka exterior ay adjacent sila sa isa't isa, no po? So, laging magsasum yan ng 180 degrees. Okay, remember that. Ano po? Interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees kung adjacent sila sa isa't isa. Okay? Or magkatabi. Okay? 180 lagi ang sum nito. Kaya naman, kung ang interior angle ay 150 degrees, no? So, kukunin natin yung kulang para maging 180 degrees. So, this means ang exterior angle po natin is 180 minus 150 degrees or we have 30 degrees. So, ayan po yung measure ng bawat exterior angle. Okay? 30 degrees. So, supplementary na sila, di ba? 150 plus 30 is 180. Okay? Now, we have 30 degrees para sa exterior. So, gagamitin natin yung formula na 360 over n. Ayan yung measure ng exterior angle. Ano po? Yung kanina. Okay, 360 over n. And since we have 30 degrees here, i-equate natin pareho ito, no? So that we have 360 over n is equal to 30. Ayan. So, gagawin natin katulad nung kanina, diba? So, pagpalitin mo yung pwesto ng n at saka 30 so that we have 360 over 30 is equal to n. And, cancel mo yung dalawang 0 so that we have 36 over 3 na lang or 36 divided by 3. That is equal to 12. Okay? So, this means the regular polygon must have 12 sides. Okay? 12 sides. And ang tawag sa polygon na may 12 sides ay decagon. Okay? So, ang hinahanap kasi dito is the number of sides ng polygon. Kaya, ang isasagot natin ay 12 sides. So, kung ang hinahanap dito is yung name of the polygon or anong pangalan ng polygon, bali, ang isasagot natin ay dodecagon. Okay? So, the answer is 12 sides. Okay? So, yeah, that's all for today about the topic kung saan kukunin natin yung yung measure ng bawat interior at exterior angles ng polygon as well as pagkuha ng number of sides nito. Okay? So, yeah, I hope you have learned something from this video. Okay? So, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and follow me also on my TikTok account. Stay safe, God bless, and as always, have a great day to all.